Hello and welcome to this channel, The Art of Change. On this channel, I will be drawing in hopes of changing wrong in the world. Today, I will be drawing the gray parrot. The gray parrot is also known as the Congo gray parrot, Congo African grey parrot, or just the African grey parrot. The gray parrot is a mid-sized parrot with gray feathering and a red patch on the base of the tail. They also have a large white patch around their eyes. They eat a variety of fruits and flowers such as figs, palm fruits, soapberries, and others. These parrots move around in large flocks, historically in the hundreds, from one area of fruiting trees to another. Today, flocks are much smaller. The gray parrot has been popularized as a pet because of its remarkable ability to mimic sounds. However, they don't just mimic. Studies involving gray parrots show that they have the ability to put words and ideas into context and can express those thoughts using human speech. The most significant threat leading to the endangerment of the African grey parrot is legal and illegal harvesting for domestication and habitat loss. The pet trade is currently the most significant threat to wild population. Both legal and illegal trade is having a devastating effect on populations throughout the species. Between 60 to 90% of parrots captured for trade die from poor handling prior to their shipping. Over 1.5 million gray parrots were exported between 1984 and 1992, assuming a 40 to 60 mortality rate between capture and export. The total number of birds removed from the wild for legal trade alone is 1.3 million. Habitat loss is having a terrible impact as well. West Africa has already lost up to 80% of its forests. For example, Nigeria lost 48% of forests between 1990 and 2010 alone. In the Democratic Republic of Congo, high rates of deforestation for timber, fuelwood, and agriculture expansions are occurring in areas that hold some of the most significant numbers of gray parrots. As forests become more fragmented, the parrots have to travel longer distances to feed. Fragmentation also may disconnect populations, which has an impact on genetic diversity. Enjoy the rest of the video. To clarify, this is a drawing of a gray parrot, slowly turning to ash, representing the decline of this endangered species. Beginning in 2001, WPT, World Parrot Trust, has supported ongoing studies on gray parrots' behaviors and effects on trade. To date, the trust has assisted and rescued thousands of gray parrots. The trust not only helps the gray parrots, but it also helps other birds such as blue-fronted Amazons, blue-throated macaws, caped parrots, chattering lories, and many more. If you want to help the gray parrot, please donate using the link in the description and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.